Here are some beginner driving tips to help you become your confident and self-driver. Number 1. Familiarize yourself with the vehicle. Take the time to learn and understand the basic control and features of the car you will be driving. This includes knowing where the accelerator, brake, and clutch pedals are, as well as the location of the turn signals, headlights, windshield wiper, and other important controls. Adjust your seat and mirrors. Before you start driving, make sure your seat is adjusted to a comfortable position that allows you to reach all the control easily. Adjust your mirror to provide a clear view of the road behind you and minimize blind spots. Number 3. Buckle up. Always wear your seatbelt and ensure that all passengers are properly restrained. Seatbelts saves lives and are a crucial safety measure. Number 4. Start slowly in low traffic area. When you are just starting out, it's a good idea and practice driving in areas with minimal traffic. This will allow you to get comfortable with the control and the feel of the car without the added stress of heavy traffic. Number 5. Maintain a safe following distance. Keep a safe distance between your vehicle and the one in front of you. This will give you enough time to react and brake if the vehicle ahead suddenly stop or slow down. Use turn signal. Always use your turn signals to indicate your intention to other drivers. This is essential of communicating your movement and helps others anticipate your action. Observe and follow traffic laws. Familiarize yourself with the traffic law in your area and make sure to follow them. This includes obeying speed limits, traffic signals, and signs. Remember to yield to pedestrians and other vehicles when necessary. Number 8. Stay alert and avoid distraction. Pay attention to the road at all time and avoid distraction like using your phone, eating, or adjusting your radio while driving. Distracted driving and be dangerous and significantly increase the risk of accident. Number 9. Practice defensive driving. Be aware of your surrounding and anticipate potential hazards on the road. Keep an eye out the other drivers' behavior and be prepared to react accordingly. Number 10. Practice. The more your drive, the more confident you will become. Take advantage of every opportunity to practice your driving skills and gain experience on different road types and in various weather condition. Remember, becoming an skilled driver take time the practice. Stay patient, focus on improving your skills, and always prioritizing prioritizing safety on the road. Thank you. Thanks a lot.